Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix voicemail not working on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So go to app library, here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search voicemail from here. For example, search voicemail from here. Voicemail is here and click on storage usage if you want to fix this problem. So clear cache voicemail. After clear cache voicemail, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset. Reset phone and click on reset network settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix voicemail not working on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.